Okay, so this is what it looks like now. See how clean it is? So let it sit there for maybe 15 minutes. And I used this little soft bristle and cleaned all the way around it. Of course, I got to replace these wires, make them a little bit longer. But as you can see now, it's clean. No more steel wool in between the little fins. Hopefully the camera can catch it. Let me zoom in, hold on. So all those things, little fins can't touch each other. Anyways, this is what I'm doing today. Cleaning the IF transformer of my National NC-100, 1946. Bye. Okay, here's the second IF transformer. Now this was giving me problems too. Now, can you figure out why this IF transformer was giving me problems trying to properly tune? Pay attention to the, let me put this down. Pay attention to this side. And see, can you see all those hairs? Can you see all that hair in there? That is steel wool. Short. What I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna clean it up in this sonic soft cleaner. But yeah, let me zoom in. All that hair you see in there, in between the fins, that's all steel wool that's making a short. See right there? So, I'm gonna dump it in here and clean it up. Clean up, see that? See those bubbles? So really clean up. So I'll just check on it in about 15 minutes. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so here I am now. It's been 15 minutes. And I don't see any more hairs inside. It looks clean. So hopefully we can go ahead and continue to dry this. So there's no more hairs. Looks clean, you know. And just dip it in a little bath, sonic bath cleaner, and hopefully that will clean it up. Looking clean. All right. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Sorry about the siren in the background, but this is what it looks like cleaned up. There's new wires. I put some hot glue, and both coils measure 8.2 ohms. There is no, let me see, can I see this? Okay, you go. I made sure there's no steel wool making contact. I lubricated, as you can see, the bottom with a little bit of oil. So this is an IF transformer ready to be installed on the National NC-100. It's cleaned. So if you're having trouble trying to align your IF, and if it skips, I recommend taking it apart, cleaning it up, putting new wires, and here you go. Thank you for watching. See ya.